how to install Tlauncher on Windows. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install and set up Tlauncher on your PC. Make sure to stick around till the end and let's get straight into it. First, open up your browser and go to tlauncher.org. Once you're on the site, look for the Download TL here button, click that, and then select Tlauncher for Windows. I've already downloaded the setup file, so now I'm just going to head over to my downloads folder and run it. When the installer opens, it's going to fetch the latest version of Tlauncher. Go ahead and click continue, then accept the terms. Just continue through the next steps. Now, if you don't already have Java installed on your system, Tlauncher will prompt you to install it. Just check the box that says download and install Java, then check all the options listed and click continue. First, it'll download Java, install it. Wait till the Java completely installed. Then Tlauncher will automatically launch. Next, it'll start downloading some required files and you'll probably get a Windows security pop-up. Make sure to click Allow Access so it runs properly. Now that we're inside Tlauncher, the first thing you should do is set up your account. Click on Accounts. Choose any option you like, but I prefer using Authorize without a password. Just enter a username and save the account. After that, go back and choose which game version you want to install. I'm going with 1.17.1 in this case. Just select it and hit install. This part might take a few minutes, so hang tight. Once it's done, you'll get a little prompt asking about setting a skin. You can skip that for now by clicking OK. Before launching the game, you can click on settings to customize things like performance, graphics, and more based on your setup. That's it. Just click enter the game and you're ready to go. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, leave a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in next one.